So here you can see that the methods to simplify the Boolean function, there are the different methods: algebraic method, Karnaugh map significant method, Quine-Amsi-Klasky method, variable intermarking VM technique. You can see in the previous video. So Karnaugh map simplification. The developer of a Karnaugh map, developed this Karnaugh map simplification method. So K-map is a short form for the Karnaugh map. First point, the K-map is a graphical method of simplify a Boolean equation. When you have to simplify the Boolean equation, we can use these methods also. The K-map is a graphical chart made up of a rectangular boxes. The information contained in a truth table or available in the SOP or POS form can be represented on a K-map. K-map can be written for a 2, 3, 4 up to 6 variables. They cannot be write like 1, 5, 7 variables. So here you can see that the only available form 2, 3, and 4 variables. Next we can say that the K-map is drawn for output y and the input variable a, b, c are used for making the entries in the boxes. So this is the graphical method to represent the Boolean equation. Basically it is developed by the Karnaugh. So that's why it is named as a Karnaugh map and it is called as a K-map. They can be only written for the 2, 3 and up to the 6 variables. So we can see that some of the example of the K-map. The structure of the K-map structure. How we can define the K-map structure? In the K-map structure, 2 input is available. This K-map is drawn for output y of any 2 input combination circuit such as a logical gate with input A and B. We have always input A and B and the output is a y. So AB can be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 2 variable K-map consists of a 2 raised to 2. So the 4 rectangular boxes. Inside these boxes we have a 2 input AB and 1 output Y. For the K-map, a box for every line in the truth table. For 2-bit combination circuit, there are 4 lines in the truth table. So there will be 4 boxes in 2 variable K-map. For 3 variable K-map, we have 8 boxes. For 4 variable K-map, we have 16 boxes. And we can represent it as 0, 1 inside that. Okay, so that means the 2 raised to 2 equals to 4. 4 raised to 2 equals to 8. And 4 raised to, it is defined like that. 4 raised to 2 equals to 16. So 16 boxes. For 2, there is a 4 boxes. For 3, there is 8 boxes. For 4, there is a 16 boxes. So you can see the structure, how it can be defined. We have an input, we have an output, we have an AB like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, that is a binary. This is your K-map structure. How to represent 2 variable K-map? You can see that there is a 2 variable K-map. We have a 4 boxes. Here we have 4 boxes. We have a AB input and the outputs. Okay. AB are the input variable. 0 and 1 are the values for the A or B. Inside 4 boxes we have to enter the values of Y. जो भी आपके आउटपुट की वैल्यूज है वो आपके इस बॉक्स के बीच में आ जाएगी. ठीक है. सो यू कैन सी दैट द 2 वेरिएबल के मैप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया है. यहाँ पे लिखा है A, यहाँ पे लिखा है B. सो यू कैन राइट द 0 के लिए A बार A, B बार B. अब आप यहाँ पे 0 के लिए क्या लिख रहे हैं. A भी आपके वेरिएबल है. 0 एंड 1 क्या है आपके वैल्यूज है. और इस बॉक्सेस के इनसाइड आपकी क्या आएगी, जो आउटपुट वैल्यूज है वो इस बॉक्स के अंदर आपकी आएगी. सो दिस इज अ 2 वेरिएबल के मैप. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ 2 वेरिएबल के मैप, यू कैन सी दैट. Next is your 3 variable K-map. In the 3 variable K map consists of 8 boxes. You can see that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your output. This is your A and this is your B. So you can write the B bar, C bar. This sequence follows gray code, not binary. This sequence, this that is a C bar. This is the only follows the gray code. Now you can see that the 1 0 is first and after that 1 1. So, but this is follow the sequence of gray code. So what is a gray code? The values of input follow a standard binary sequence. What is a standard binary sequence? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. But in K-Max, the input values are ordered in a different sequence. That is a 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. This is as per the gray code, not a binary code. Okay, so this is follow. So that as we move along a row and column, only one variable will change its value at a time. Okay, so this is the K-map. So in the 3 variable K-map, we have 8 boxes. Here we can follow the gray method. Now you can see that you can define in a 2 types. You can define like that A, B, C. You can define like A, B or C. Okay, fine. You can define like that, is depend upon you how you have to define. This is a way to represent. Now 0 and 1 are the values, so you have to put the 0 and 1. So that's why here 0 and 1, 0 and 1, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Now 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 for this. You can represent like this. A and B, C, these are input. You have to put the output here. The position of variable A, B, C are interchangeable. It can be interchanged. Okay. अब A यहाँ पे तो B C यहाँ पे, अब B यहाँ पे तो C यहाँ पे, अदरवाइज यहाँ पे A होगा, यहाँ पे B C होगा, डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू. यहाँ पे A है तो यहाँ पे B C है. 0 and 1 are the values you can change. This is a 3 variable K map representation. You have 8 boxes. अगर 2 variable है तो 4 boxes है, 3 variable है तो 8 boxes है. You can see that. Next is your 4 variable K map. In the 4 variable K map, we have a 16 boxes. How many boxes? Sequence as per grade pair. A 4 variable K map consists of the 16 boxes. You can write A, B, C, D, interchangeable A, B or C, D. So you can see that the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is your output value. Here is your inputs. This is a interchangeable. So you have a total 16 boxes. So that is your 4 variable K map. So you can see you have a 2 variable K map, 3 variable K map and 4 variable K map. You can see